A BRISBURY media production. Economy of China. Economic sectors: energy and mineral resources. 80% of all power is generated from fossil fuel at thermal plants. %17% from hydroelectric installations. Mining. The major areas of production is coal, iron ore, crude petroleum, natural gas, tin, nickel, tungsten. Industry and manufacturing. Industry and construction account for 46% of China GDP. Between 2011 and 2013, China used more cement than what United States consumed during the entire 20th century. In 2009, almost 8% of the total manufacturing output in the world came from China. Major industries include mining, iron, aluminium, coal, machinery, textiles, petroleum, chemicals, fertilizers, food processing, automobiles, rail cars, locomotives, chips, aircrafts, Electronics. Telecommunications. Information technology. Automotive industry. China is the world's largest automobile producer. It manufactured more than 27 million vehicles in 2018. This are more vehicles than the total output of Japan and United States combined. China is also the largest consumer of automobile ahead of United States. Electric car industry. China is the world's #1 manufacturer of electric cars. It produced about 1.3 million new energy vehicles in 2018. Transportation and infrastructure. Freight haulage is mainly provided by rail transport. In 2007, China became one of the few countries in the world to launch its own indigenously developed high-speed train. Science and technology. China has made rapid advances in areas such as education, infrastructure, high-tech manufacturing and artificial intelligence.